Huh? Huh? Yes, that is right. I have received my first ever Becauseracecarbox. I'm super excited to get it open. I've got my big, ridiculous knife ready to go. So, without further ado, let's get this thing cracked open and see what's inside. Alright, so, take my knife. Come that open. You ready for it? Here it comes. Ta-da! Okay, so first thing on at the very top, microfiber mitt. These things are great. I love these things. Can't get enough of these. Feels so nice and fluffy. Definitely going to be making lots of use of this. Just so much more convenient than a regular sponge. Alright, so next, bubble wrap. Ooh, my favorite. Okay, so underneath all of that we have, yes, the Becauseracecarbox decal. Be getting that on my car very, very soon. Got a rep, you know what I mean? Got a rep. Okay. Ah, cool. They give me 2 of these air fresheners, Becauseracecarbox branded up on there. So might as well just crack one of these open, see what it's like right now. If I could. Oh, here we go. Ooh. What a smell. It smells like some kind of sweets. It doesn't say what flavor that is, but it's like, yeah, some kind of sweets that I remember from my childhood, so it's like total nostalgia. That's what that looks like. Obviously I can't do smell-o-vision on my camera, but that's awesome, yeah. That's actually, it's kind of like bubble gum, but not bubble gum. It's more vanilla-y than bubble gum, but some kind of sweets from my childhood. I just can't put my finger on what type of sweets. Maybe someone out there has got one of these and you can tell me exactly what kind of sweeties that smells like, but it smells fantastic, whatever it is. So that 2 of those too, that's awesome. Won't be running out of that anytime soon. Ah, hello. So we have our Becauseracecarbox branded lanyard in black. I haven't actually seen one of these in black. I've seen a lot of guys on Instagram and whatnot getting blue ones, but I got a black one, so that's pretty cool. Definitely be hanging that on my keys, hanging it out my butt pocket. So sweet. What else we got? Gleam Freak Super Suds. Super Suds is a thick foaming pH neutral wax safe shampoo. Our thick foaming shampoo offers very easy use and provides a superior after wash shine with added protection and highly scented for, what does it say? For a very pleasant use. Alright. Let's just see how scented this is. Well, I can see already it's like bright orange. That's always cool. Oh yeah, it's kind of like sherbet or something. Whoa, I just got on my nose. Yeah, definitely nice and scented. My car is absolutely disgustingly dirty right now, so I could definitely be doing with using this bad boy. So that's cool. Gleam Freak Super Suds. All right. What's this? Car Spunk glass spray finishing. Nothing else on the label. But yeah, Car Spunk. Or is it Cars Punk? You be the judge. So this is glass. Oh yeah, I was just gonna say, if it's a spray, it's gonna need a spray top. So here it is, with a very, very long spray receptacle jobby, which is like longer than the bottle itself, but whatever, we can work with it. So we put this in and we can spray our car spunk all over our car glass, because it is our glass spray. This is actually quite cool. I've actually noticed that my car glass, especially on the inside, is kind of scummy, so I really need to do something with that, and this will help me finish off. Yes, right, the car spunk will, or car punk, whatever, will finish off the glass nicely. The last thing in here is De-Icer Pro from GB Detailing. Already got a spray top on there. So yeah, De-Icer, pretty useful right now. Weather is super cold. I was outside earlier on and my hands actually still are freezing. But yeah, if you check out my Instagram, you'll see a bunch of icy looking pictures on there. I wonder what it smells like. Doesn't really have too much of a scent, but that's okay. Contains methanol, probably shouldn't be sniffing too much of that. I wonder what the car spunk smells like. I wonder what color it is. Whoa, that is very alcoholic. Woo! Yeah, that'll do it. Yeah, it says finishing, but that'll take anything off your glass. So yeah, there we go. That's our first ever Becauseracecarbox. So I'll just lay it all real nice. Head over to Becauseracecarbox.com and you'll see that you can buy these as a subscription monthly, or you can get them as a one-off purchase. If you love looking after your car, if you love detailing, it's absolutely awesome. Great value because you get so much stuff, and it's always a cool surprise. Who doesn't like a surprise box each month that just get all that cool stuff and see what's in there? If you head over to the website, you'll see that they have a UK store, a Europe store, and a USA store. They ship all over the show. If you decide that you want to make a purchase, please do go to the Where Did You Find Us box and enter adam.rainey, or you can put in something else just to identify me, AR, whatever. Just make sure that you put something in there, and then that means that I can keep bringing you videos like this to show you all the new contents. I would super duper appreciate that. I super duper appreciate you watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you like all this cool stuff as much as I do. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I will see you very soon for some new content. Cheers.